Hi, my name is Emily Keenan. I'm a second year at the University of Virginia, and we wanted to talk to some students and see whether they knew where their water comes from, and also whether they knew which one of these takes more water to produce.
I'm a second year.
I'm a third year.
I'm a second year, undeclared major right now.
I'm a fifth year in the Batten School. I'm a fifth year in the Batten School.
Second year, and I'm a civil engineering major.
Graduate student in the Spanish department.
Second year in the college studying economics.
Almost done being a second year. I will be a comm major in the fall.
So our first question for you is, do you know where your water comes from in Charlottesville?
From the tap.
The sink? I have no idea where my water comes from. Nope.
No, I do not know where my water comes from.
No, I do not. No, I don't.
I don't, actually.
I don't know where my water comes from in Charlottesville.
No. I've heard talk of a reservoir, but I think people mostly just jump in it. Is that right?
The Charlottesville Reservoir up towards Blue Ridge, I think.
Does that influence how you use your water, knowing exactly where it comes from?
Kind of. I do think about it on a daily basis that it does come from like a lake right up the road, so I guess it does cross my mind, but it doesn't really affect it that much, I would say.
Well, I don't really know much about the Ravenna River or how it impacts me, so other than the water supply, so not really. I don't think it changes anything.
I mean, now that you told me, I think I didn't realize it was such a local source and that the treatment was so close to here. So I think that, I don't know if that affects the way I use my water, but it definitely affects the way I look at the water.
I guess if you don't know where it's coming from, you don't understand, how long it's going to be around or if it'll last.
It really makes it more real, and if it would kind of quantify it and make it seem like a much more limited resource, would probably do a better job conserving it if we knew where it came from.
The gallon of water.
The water, because it's just water.
I'm going to guess it's a trick question, and it's probably the water.
I'm going to say the milk because it's counterintuitive.
I don't know. I'd say the milk.
I'm going to guess milk.
I'm gonna guess the milk.
To produce a half gallon of milk, it probably takes 10 gallons of water.
Wild guess.
6.
23.
3 gallons for every gallon of milk.
3.
It actually takes over 500
To produce 1 gallon of milk?
to produce a half gallon. It actually takes 500.
Whoa, all right.
So about 500 gallons to produce a half gallon of milk.
Okay.
It actually takes about 500 gallons to produce half a gallon of milk.
500? That's a
So,
lot.
Isn't that
Jeez.
crazy?
Yeah.
Wow, yeah, that's intense.
Oh, wow.
Why?
The animals need water, and I mean all kinds of stuff go into making the milk.
So it starts all the way with the grass that feeds the cows all the way up to in your kitchen. You think now that would maybe have an impact on people's ideas of water?
It would probably.
Yeah, definitely. That definitely makes a difference. I had no idea it took that many gallons.
For 1 gallon of milk, it was 500. Yeah, I think it would help. Probably a lot.
Something like that, I can really see the difference.
No, definitely. I mean, I don't count, my milk consumption as my water consumption. So knowing that, that definitely would affect the way I look at water. Yeah.
I'm Devin Rowell. I'm a second year at the University of Virginia, and after doing this exercise, we realized that a lot of people actually don't know where their water comes from, and they also don't realize how much water it takes to produce half a gallon of milk compared to a gallon of water. So we've enjoyed seeing that maybe knowing these things, it could impact people's water use, and maybe you'll think about where your water comes from.